Are you building your empire while silently breaking down at home? You're winning in business, but losing emotional energy by the minute. I get it. And you don't even realize your relationship is draining your capacity to lead. High value men don't tolerate emotional leaks. They fix the foundation, which is at home, and they can scale. My fiance scaled a business to over $1.5 million in less than 2 years. But he'll tell you if our relationship was full of stress, disrespect, or disconnection, that success would have come with a cost, or not at all. What changed everything was this shift. He stopped separating business and marriage, and he started leading in both with clarity, presence, and emotional intelligence. In this video, I'll show you how high-value driven men lead their relationship so it fuels their business instead of draining it. And if you want the step-by-step tools, grab the free marriage ROI toolkit below in the description to finally get started on making these small changes to see bigger results in your marriage. Number 1, emotional stress is the silent revenue killer. You may think you're keeping it separate, but stress doesn't stay in the house. It shows up in your leadership, does it not? Poor sleep, shorter patience, avoidance, decision fatigue, all of that traces back to unspoken tension at home. High-value men don't ignore that. They fix the real roots before it costs them time, money, and mental clarity. You need all that to win. Number 2, resentment creates resistance, and it's draining you both. If your wife doesn't feel seen, heard, or even prioritized, she will pull back. That is the truth. And when she pulls back, you feel like you're dragging the business and the marriage all by yourself. That's not strength. That's slow burnout. You're not weak for needing alignment at home. That's a very smart thing to do. In fact, that's exactly what you need. You're wise for knowing your full potential depends on it. So if you want to stop the emotional leaks and gain energy back in your life and business, I suggest downloading the free marriage ROI toolkit below, because these 5 tools will help you strengthen the connection with your wife so you feel supported, respected, and focused again. Number 3, high-value driven men lead with alignment, not avoidance. Leadership isn't just about what you do in the boardroom. It's who you are when you walk through your front door. If you've been avoiding hard conversations because it could be turned out to unproductive conversations, a waste of time, she's not really listening to me. If you come into the conversation or to your wife with that kind of mindset, it's going to go that way. It's going to go exactly how you envision it. You're downplaying her needs or just getting by in your marriage. You're playing small, and it's costing you way more than you think. High-value men take responsibility for the environment they operate in, and their home is priority number 1. When your wife is aligned with you, she takes ownership of creating a peaceful home environment, one where you both can recharge, connect, and thrive. When your wife is aligned with your vision, she takes charge of the home, making it a place of peace, power, and stability that supports you both. Listen, if you're tired of trying to grow your business while carrying emotional weight from your home, it's time to make your relationship your greatest ROI. I've seen it so many times. Book a free call below if you want a personalized strategy to your situation to lead powerfully in your marriage so your business can grow without limits. Because when she is with you, fully with you, your life and leadership multiply. Book a call now.